dyn ni'n mynd i wneud gweithgaredd peintio. We're going to do a painting activity now. And for this, you'll need hamfwrdd, a tray, hamfwrdd, un mawr, un bach, a big one, a small one, it doesn't matter. Bydd hefyd angen papur. Papur gwyrdd sy gen i. I've got some green paper, but you can use any colour, unrhyw liw, or you can just use plain white, gwyn. Bydd hefyd angen paint. You'll also need paint. Again, any colour, unrhyw liw. Mae gen i paint melyn. I have yellow paint. A paint pink. And pink paint. Nawr, rhowch y papur ar yr hamfwrdd. Put your paper on your tray. Ac yna, mae rhaid i chi ychwanegu paint. You need to add some paint. Yn gyntaf, first, paint melyn. Un, dau, tri. Tri smotyn o paint melyn. 3 dots of yellow paint. Nesaf, pink. Pink paint. Barod. Ready. Un. Dau. Dau smotyn mawr. 2 big dots of pink paint. Paint. Nawr, mae angen rhywbeth arall arno ni i beintio. Wy, an egg. Wy, fel yma. Just an ordinary egg. It is hard-boiled, however, just in case. Rhowch yr wy ar y papur. Put your egg on the paper, ar y papur. Ac yna, roliwch nôl. O, mae'r wy yn sownd. Amlaen. Amlaen. Roll the egg all over the tray. Nawr efallai bydd angen bach o help. You might need a little bit of help to do this. O'n i'n rolio, rolio'r wy. Rolling, rolling, rolling the egg. Ac edrychwch beth sydd wedi digwydd. Look at the beautiful picture that we've made. Edrychwch. Llun hyfryd. What a beautiful picture. Llun pink a llun melyn yn peintio gydag wy. A beautiful pink and yellow painting made with an egg. Give it a go. Rhowch tro arni.